You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I am reviewing a wig from QVR Queen Virgin Remy hair, showing you guys the goodies that they sent over in the package. Today we are going to be applying this wig straight out of the pack. This curl, the color, everything initially is so beautiful. This is the Balayage Fun Me Curly Glueless Wig, 5x5 lace closure, and it has brown highlights. So I'm just trying it on. I did pluck the hairline a little bit, so I'm just showing you guys what that looks like. And I am instantly in love with this hair, y'all. Look at me. I can't control myself. So it is super big and beautiful. It's giving me Beyonce. It's giving me Beyonce, okay? So I'm going to cut the lace off in a zigzag motion, and then I'm going to spray it with my even lace spray, and then I'm also going to add my foundation color to it, and I'm gonna lock that in with my even hairspray. And now I'm just trying it on again. As you guys can see, it seamlessly blends in with my skin. Now I am going to lay it down. I'm using the black even lace spray, and I did a thin layer of that, and I blow dried it on cool. And now I am going to just make sure everything is nice and flat and everything is stuck. So I'm just pushing it down with my rat tail comb, and then I'm spot spraying in places to make sure that everything is nice and stuck. And then I'm using my blow dryer on the cool setting. Once it's dry, then I'm going to use my spritz, and then I'm going to apply that to the lace so that it can really melt into the skin. So of course I'm going to go over with my blow dryer again. The key is to make sure your stuff is not wet. You want everything to be nice and dry before you lay it down. So I just laid it down with the elastic band. I'm using my wax stick at the middle so that I can make the top nice and flat, and then I'm going to go in with my hot comb. And now I'm just going to take off the elastic band because the lace sat for a little bit, and I want to do some baby hair, so I'm just clipping the hair to the back, and then I'm going to pull out very minimal baby hairs around the hairline. I'm just using my hot comb to make sure that the other hair is going towards the back and it's not in the way. And then I'm just going to cut the baby hairs in a slanted motion. I'm going to use my Nairobi mousse to swoop the hair in the front. And then we're going to go ahead and put that elastic band right back on so that it can lace some more. And then we're going to work on the hair. Of course, I have to detangle it. I don't know why I always have to detangle my hair. I just like for it to start off really big, and then I go back in and define a layer later. But speaking of layers, I'm adding just very light layers in the front of the hair, and then I'm going to spray the hair with water all over so we can get these curls to pop. Okay, I'm detangling the hair a little bit more, and then I'm gonna add just a little bit of the mousse to the hair. Just a very, very small amount, just a little bit to kind of coat all of the hair and really lock those curls in. And then I'm just going to clip the hair to the back and let it air dry. I'm just showing you guys what it looks like when it's wet. And now it is completely dry. So we are back. We're about to take off the elastic band. This was a super easy install and the curls are popping. The hair is super duper cute. And I love all of the different tones. You have blondes, you have browns. And I really like how they colored this wig. It's very different. Like I told y'all, it's giving Beyonce, okay? It's giving Beyonce. The hairline and the lace is laid. It looks really nice. This wig is very thick. This is 250% density. That is a lot of hair, but I love it. It gives Beyonce, okay? So it is nice and big and full, and this wig is in 24 inches. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig from QVR, I will definitely have all of the links down below in the description, or if you want to check out any of their other wigs. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't step on the trip.